So previous problem we had solved this problem. Now we will go to this problem. I hope this should. I'll just solve two more problems and then we will go to the different shapes. Okay, so here everything is same again 25 mm side and they are saying they did not give any angle for HP, but they have given angle for VP saying it's 30 degree angle makes 30 degree with VP. But if for HP they are saying instead without like instead of giving the angle they are saying that the opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above. So this thing to understand is very simple, but here it's just a software thing. So when I do the same problem in the book, I'll explain you properly over there, and hopefully I will try to like solve multiple problems in a same sheet so that you understand how to do it. So that's not a problem. Okay, so I'll explain a normal problem, my own problems. So if you understand them, you should be able to solve all the problems. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment down the question, and the video will be made and sent to you within half an hour. I hope so. So now let's go to the software and solve this problem. So as you can see, this was a previous problem. I'll create a new sheet, select the line. That line should be 0.15 mm for XY. Just put a line for XY. This one is enough, I guess. Then I'll set this as 0.05 for all the projections. They said it was 25 mm and rests on corner, right? So this I'll say, I'll type 25, hit enter, and I'll type 150, hit. Okay, length, okay, it did not take, so 25. So it's actually big. 25. We can go like that itself. 25, enter, right click, 25, enter, right click, over. So okay, done. Then I have to put the projections till here, and then here. Now move it, copy on this line. I have to move from here to here. Done. Okay, so now what we have to do, it's very simple. So he told us, okay, fine. First, let me do the namings. Okay, so I have to type 0.3. I'll keep because just for you to explain, I'm using this. So this is my A. If they are specifically mentioning key corner B rests, corner C rests, you have to type those corner itself. So this is A dash because it is above the XY line. So here it is B dash, but in the bracket I have to put C dash 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 dash. Hit escape. Done. Okay, this thing little up. Okay, so now what is thing? So see the length of this is 21.651. So here it is. Okay, so now what I'll do? I'll take a line. Okay, I'll just draw like this. What did he say? 15 mm above, right? Hit enter. I'll put this like this. Then what I'll do? Same way, I'll put a line like this. Okay, and then escape. I'll change the style of this line into this line. Okay, array, it did not change. Once again, change the style. Uh, Done. And now what I have to do? I have to rotate this. Rotate. Select the way I have to rotate. See, zoom in. I have to do it in such a way. Okay, I have to zoom in properly. This software is very weird. Okay. Oh, better we can do one more thing. So I'll just what to say? Hit escape and 21.651. Right. I'll just array. I'll copy this. Copy. This thing I'll just delete. Then I'll select arc by center point. I'll click somewhere anywhere here. So I have to paste it, right? So, array, just a second. Control V doesn't work. Okay. So here I have to type. Fine, I have to measure it. 21.651. 21.651. Hit enter. Cut. Okay. See now I have so hectic, man. Take a line. So this was my array. Why am I not able to select? So I have to select this intersection. See, I shouldn't select like that. If I zoom in properly, it will show X. Yeah, correct. That I have to join till see this circle thing. You see that? Now if I hit escape and tap on this, see 21.651 done. Okay. So this I'll give a smart dimension for this, saying it's 15 mm. The text scale is not visible, so okay, I have to zoom it a little. Okay, so this I'll keep it as 0.6 since it's not visible. This I'll keep as 0.6. Hit enter. Done. Okay, so I'll select these lines for now and make it visible. 0.4. Hit enter. हो गया. Move with copy on here. Move with copy on here. Okay. Projections. What's the length? 0.05 s. So see, C to C. B to, it's correct, right? Exactly. If I go 90 degree, then A to A. So now from A, see, it's perfect, perfect, perfect. Over. Now move, not that. Copy on A, C, okay, B. Then I have to select, okay, 1, 2, 3. Make it as 0.4. Hit enter. Select line. I did not put the projections from here, so I'll put like this. Then I'll just join here. Okay, much is not required. And then again same like that. I have to like make 30 degrees. So I'll hit 40, enter, minus 30, enter. Uh, right click, move. Copy is on. So I'll move this. I want to move. See again he's saying the corner is making that angle, right? So now I'll rotate it. I'll select the same thing, resting point and the moving edge. Uh, so here is my A. C will be here because that's the resting edge, right? And B will be here. So the extra line is not required. So I'll just trim is this, right? I'll trim it. Okay, then I have to put again projections. So first let me just split this line into this point. Okay, or else one second, I'll split it this size, right? I'll split here. Then I'll click this and tap on delete. Fine. Now I have to put projections. From BC it will come till here, but since B is also there, I'll take it till here. Okay. From C to 90 degree. From B to straight exactly 90 degree. From A exactly 90 degree. A to B B to C, C to A, escape, control, select these three lines, tap here and point 4, hit enter, truck, move, array, not that, copy is on, right? I have to select move, copy is on, A dash, where can I place it? I'll place it inside, no problem. Then type it. This is which dash? C dash, C dash, B dash, hit escape, move it little properly. Override, so I have to mention the angles. So see, I have to mention this angle, what it came, because that was not given, because that was not array 30 degree. Okay, control this and this. I'll make it as 0.6. Okay, escape. So anything else? Here dimension 44, 25, 30. Yeah, X, Y and all. I don't want to like mention all this X, Y and all, but you guys might point it out, so I'll just write it X. Okay, so uh, 0.3 is better. Caps on. I, X by VP HP escape. Uh, mm, mm, If anything else is what to say left, or please let me know in the comments. See, for me everything is perfect. So this is how you do the sum. If anything else is there, just from your teacher or the textbook, you can see and do it. How to do you understood, right? So that's more than enough.